Good morning. Today is World Humanitarian Day. This is the perfect opportunity to say a very big and warm thank you to humanitarian heroes, men and women risking their lives to give a positive response to disasters, distress, war, and every situation getting human beings on their knees. Allow me to give a special thank to the UN Foundation, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Dangote Group, the Red Cross, the Big Family Without Borders, and all and every single ones working to make this world a better place. Because I want to offer the best to generations to come, I officially support the World Needs More campaign. Commit, donate, support the UN and its partners to help people in crisis. You cannot imagine how precious your help is for humanity. You are a superhero with the power to turn tears into laughers and smiles. We need you. We need you now. One word, one love. I am Bagulibali, Mandela Washington Fellow, Côte d'Ivoire.